Now we're gonna take a look at the bathroom. We have a beautiful bathroom here to showcase, but some of the items that I have my buyers check out while we are in this area is first the caulking around the bathtubs, the showers, around the sinks and the vanities. You wanna make sure that the caulking is in good condition, because if it is not, that could be a sign of different types of dry rot, past leaks, things like that. So you wanna make sure that it's in good condition, and that would lead us to the flow of the bathtub. And you're gonna wanna check, this one actually has a shower stall behind me, so checking the water pressure there and making sure it's draining properly. You'll also wanna check the toilet and give it a nice flush and see how that does. And then when we get to the vanity sink, you're also gonna wanna check the caulking there, the water pressure, and then also the outlets in the bathroom. You're gonna wanna make sure that those are GFCI protected. They're not too close to where you would have some of your curling irons and blow dryers and things like that. No one wants to get electrocuted in their own bathroom. And then the lighting is also another feature that you're gonna wanna check out, as well as the bathroom can be an area that gets a lot of moisture. So you're gonna wanna make sure that there's really good venting in there, whether it be a window or the vents above.